In a world driven by innovation, where industries demand the finest solutions, South Africa relies on the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research as a leader and partner in scientific research and technological innovation to improve the quality of life of its citizens. By leveraging our advanced manufacturing and multidisciplinary offerings at CSIR Future Production Manufacturing, we empower South African industries to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve quality. From energy to mining, automotive to aerospace, agro-processing to metal and machinery, we offer a spectrum of solutions tailored to your specific needs. Our capabilities, services, and facilities are geared to use fourth industrial revolution technologies for digital transformation and the re-industrialization of the manufacturing industry to increase competitiveness locally and abroad and ensure optimal use of resources such as materials and energy. Our areas of focus include smart and lean manufacturing processes, as well as digital end-to-end engineering. We use various advanced materials and additive manufacturing techniques to yield lightweight, high-strength, and high-performance custom products. Laser technology and sensors have found adoption in various fields, including healthcare and security, as well as for services like producing or refurbishing high-wear parts such as steam turbines on demand. We offer industry support by assisting smaller enterprises in these domains, with services that include mechanical testing of a variety of industrial components, providing technical and regulatory support to local medical device manufacturers, facilitating new product development, aiding in localization efforts. Through the Learning Factory, we offer customizable training in fourth industrial revolution technologies, such as virtual and augmented reality, human-computer interfacing, robotics, and the Internet of Things. For more information on how you can collaborate with us, visit www.csir.co.za.